So this is just a quick video to respond to one of the comments in my previous videos around the CamVac and upgrading the CamVac from the bags through to a pleated filter. And we saw an increase in performance. But one of the comments came from a person from Turkey. So it just blows my mind so much that there's just everyone around the world, like US, UK, Denmark, Turkey as well, which is amazing to see other people all around the world enjoying me rambling on like an idiot. Anyway, so he added this question that would it actually increase the performance? And we all suspect it will, and by how much, if you had no filters in there at all. And obviously I'm not pulling any dust, so it's not going to damage the motors or damage anything inside the dust collector. And just out of curiosity's sake, I thought that's a great idea. So I just recorded this quick little clip for you and anyone else that's just genuinely curious of how much actual performance increase there is with no filters whatsoever, the pleated filters, and then the bags. So we'll cut to it now. Let's do one motor. And that's 11.27. So that's 10.51.